Hello friends, welcome back to the Chikarga YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a shipping progress bar in your Shopify store. You might have seen some Shopify checkout pages uses this kind of progress bar in order to notify or in order to show some threshold achievement level achievements. So I will show you how you can create similar kind of blocks in your Shopify stores. So watch this video completely without skipping. Let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I'm using checkout extension Ninja app. I have downloaded this from Shopify App Store. If you need, I will be attaching the link to this app in the description box. You can just check it out. A quick reminder that this kind of customization is available only for the Shopify Plus members. So after your installation, go to the admin panel and click on blog section from the Checkout Ninja app. Now click on create new blog. There will be some default templates showing up here. You can just close it up and click on add blog. Now you have to select or search for shipping progress bar and click on add to checkout. Now we have to give a proper name for our blog. I'm let's going with shipping protection bar as my blog name because I can easily identify this from my list of blogs. And if you have any conditional visibility, you can enable this. So what happens then is like on clicking or on choosing these conditions, there are multiple conditions in this list. You can go through this and choose any as you wish. So after adding the condition, the block will be available only when this particular or the given condition is met. And if you want the block to be appear in the checkout always, then you can just keep it disabled and click on shipping progress bar. There are some default values showing up here, like the free shipping threshold is showing us here as the 100. I'm making this to 1000, and like the free shipping will be achieving only when the cart value is 1000. So we the progress will say like add the remaining more to go get free shipping, and once the threshold is met, then the message will be as the you qualify for free shipping. And these are customized one. You can choose any or you can add as your wish. And the progress bar color and the like the color, the base, the text size, and everything, you can just the appearance level you can just change from here. And there will be some advanced styling like the background color, border one, border radius, padding, element spacing, everything you can just go with the given list. So like you can just customize this as per your wish. So I am clicking on done. Be sure that the status is active, okay? And go for saving it. And after saving, we will be getting some block ID in the block details. So this is the block ID. I'm copying this and click on open checkout editor page. Now we have to click on custom block and we have to add the block to the checkout. So they will be asking some block ID. So we have to paste the block ID which we have copied earlier to this. So you can see that the custom block has been created here. So it says that our add 240 more to get free shipping because our threshold level is 1000. So let's place this block in the order summary section. The what that is the more appropriate one to have this. Yeah. So let's save it. Now let's test this up in our online store. I have some products in my checkout page. Sorry, in my cart. Let's land on checkout. So you can see that you qualified for free shipping since the value is greater than 1000. Let's try with some amount which is less than 1000. So I'm deleting this and I'm keeping only one product from this. Now the product is not worth 1000, so it will say like add 370 more to get free shipping. So that's how you can just show up a shopping progress bar in your checkout page very easily. So while you're waiting for, just grab the link from the description box and try this out in your online store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.